Now here's how you can see send follow requests on Instagram. So open up the Instagram app of your phone, tap on your profile below, and then click on the three lines in the top right corner to go to the menu. Now tap on the account center, so just go there, and then click on your information and permissions. From this, you have the ability to click on export your information. So just tap on that. It should move you over to another page like this. And this should give you the option to export it. So click on export, then select the Instagram profile which it pertains to. Then click on export to device like that. Wait for it to load up, and you can choose to customize the information, right? So you don't necessarily have to do everything, but just download the information which you need. In our case, it's going to be related to the send follow request. So we only want to download the connection section, which is the contacts, followers, and following. So you can just do that and make sure you export it like that. You can also choose the date range when you send the follow request. So it should include that information, right? And yeah, just click on that, save it, and then it will let you know, it will export it on your phone. Once you're done, you should be able to read that profile. You will be able to see that and browse the information where part of the connections, you should be able to see the information about which accounts you have sent the follow request to, but perhaps you forgot. So you'll be able to see it right there. So that's it for me. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.